Hey guys, good afternoon. Itatry natin si Kurimina or Kurimina. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yun. Meron silang ice cream and coffee. So, ang sabi nila, masarap daw doon yung milk tea. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung flavor nun. So, yes, tara, samahan niyo ako. So guys, ito si Kurimina. Ayan, ice cream and coffee. Tapos, pasok tayo doon. Check natin kung anong meron sa kanila. Yung mahirap yung bababa ka, tapos pinatay mo lang agad yung aircon. So, syempre, mainit na. Okay, let's go. Meron pala silang meal dito, guys. So, halo-halo milkshake. And, yes, tingnan natin kung ano meron sa kanila. Drinks.
May I suggest ko sa inyo signature drinks po. Our signature coffee strawberry milk was it's a combination of jam and fresh milk topped with ice cream and then with popping milk. But if you're looking for refreshing po, meron po tayong mga lemonades and milk teas.
Yung bestseller?
Bestseller po sa milk tea yung Okinawa.
Okinawa. Okay, sige, try ko yun.
Sa Okinawa.
Yup. Wait a minute. And the fries? Barbecue flavor. Regular.
Yes.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.